Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on CoinMarketCap. This guide is perfect for those moments when you need to adjust your account settings quickly and safely, whether you're troubleshooting login issues, switching authentication devices, or making temporary changes while managing multiple tools for your business. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to open your web browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a profile icon. Clicking on this profile icon will open a drop-down menu, displaying various options related to your account, including access to settings and security features. From the drop-down menu, the next step is to select Settings. This will navigate you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your CoinMarketCap account. Within this section, you can change your account details, privacy settings, and most importantly for this tutorial, your security preferences. This area is especially useful if you regularly review account access as part of your overall online security routine. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the third step is to click on Account Security. This is a crucial area where you manage the security features associated with your CoinMarketCap account. It's always a good idea to get familiar with this section, as it contains options to help keep your account safe, especially if you're using crypto tools alongside your Shopify store or other platforms. Here in Account Security, you'll find a section dedicated to two-factor authentication, commonly abbreviated as 2FA. For those who might not know, two-factor authentication is a security process in which the user provides two different authentication factors to verify themselves, such as a password and a code from an authenticator app. It adds an extra layer of security to your account on top of just a password, helping protect against unauthorized access. But for now, we're focusing on how to disable it. Navigate to the two-factor authentication section, where you will see the option to remove it. Click on Remove. You'll likely see a prompt or confirmation message to ensure that you really want to proceed with disabling the security feature, which helps prevent accidental changes. Finally, after you've clicked on Remove, you'll need to confirm your decision by clicking on Confirm. This final step will deactivate the two-factor authentication from your account. Make sure you're comfortable with this decision, as it will reduce the security level of your account. It's always worth considering why you're disabling two-factor authentication. If security is a concern but you need to turn it off temporarily, make sure to reactivate it as soon as possible once the issue is resolved. And that's it. You've successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your CoinMarketCap account. Remember, even though disabling two-factor authentication makes logging into your account more straightforward, it's essential to ensure that your account remains secure with a strong password and by monitoring it for any unusual activity, especially if the account is tied to business or financial research. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.